Who's coming? Is that Thomas? Is that Thomas? Look it. What's coming?
Here it comes, Bobby. Here it comes.
Are you excited? Who is that? Yeah, it's Thomas. Look.
Now it goes crazy. This is crazy.
Look. Look. There's Daddy taking pictures. Is this Thomas?
Thomas,
Is that Thomas?
well, I think it's Saturday. It's like
Was that Thomas?
he's going to run and wreak havoc now.
Look it, buddy.
Everybody's going to be late. Here on. Nobody
Wave.
expects something like that. Especially if they're using that stupid GPS.
Here's the big surprise. Keep waving. Wave at the little kids. Do you know what they got to ride on? Wave at the conductors. Look.
I hate GPS. So I think
Ready? Here's the big surprise.
it always takes me a route I don't want to go.
Look at Tyler. Tyler, look. Who's this? Who's coming?
One to take me,
Who's that?
22 goes right through Easton, right? The one to take me right to downtown.
Is that Thomas? Is that Thomas? Who is that? Is that Thomas?
There you go.
How cool is that, buddy? Say wow. What do you think? Is that Thomas? Just taking it all in? How cool is that? All right, I think we gotta move. What's that? Is that a train? Wow. Wow. Are we on a train? Are we on Thomas? Tyler, are we on Thomas?
Tyler, hold on a minute.
Thomas is so happy.
Get this off for a second because I can't maneuver.
Yes,
It's like me making friends.
always count on Percy to be a good friend on any of my adventures. Thomas likes to race around the island of Soda. One time, Thomas raced against Spencer.
Say hi.
Say hi. Wave to him. Say hi.
Say hi, buddy.
You want to look out again? He'll throw it out the window.
Yeah, he will. That's our kid.
All aboard.
Mommy buys accessories and Tyler wants nothing to do with them.
Want any fishies?